Namaste, Jai Bhim, Johar from Jharkhand. I'm very happy and I'm looking forward to meeting many of you who would be present there at the alumni felicitation of Eklavya Alumni. Eklavya India Foundation has been doing great things for giving wings to many dreams. I'm looking forward to being there to be part of this program on 20th June at 3 p.m. at the Eklavya campus. It is my honor to be meeting the first generation university graduates, and because the word Eklavya itself rings a bell for each Adivasi, each tribal, each ST in India, but I think I'm going to see a whole lot of Eklavyas, and that's going to be a memorable moment for me. I really want to wish each one of you a very best for a very bright future, and I hope your wings will take you beyond what me as a second generation has been able to achieve in this country. And I think all barriers help us know our potential and therefore go forward. And I would be looking forward to meeting you all. Namaste and Johar and Jai Bhim.